Hi, hello, welcome to NS Physics Academy. In previous classes, we have discussed about two bodies is in contact. When two bodies is in contact position, what is the acceleration of a contact force between them? So today's topic is three bodies is in contact. When the three bodies, when three bodies in contact position, what about acceleration and what is the force of contact between them? We are discussing today. So I am taking three blocks like this. So this is the mass M1, M2 and M3. These three bodies we placed on a floor, smooth floor. I am applying force on M1. So I am taking three bodies. I am applying force on M1 and the force of contact, that is F, between the M1 and M2. The force of contact, that is F, between M1 and M2. Then the force of contact between M2 and M3, that is F dash. So what is the acceleration? We know the Newton's second law, F is equal ma. Then A is equal F by m. We know the formula of acceleration. Now find the acceleration of a three bodies in contact. So what is the acceleration? When we applied force on them, it will move with some acceleration. So what is the acceleration? It's sum of the three bodies. F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is the acceleration of a given body. Equation number 1. So I am taking separating the free body diagrams of M3, M2, M1. I am considering free body diagram of M3. So this is the F dash, it is M3. What is the force of contact of M3? That is F dash is equal to the M3 into A based on the Newton's second law. F dash is the force of contact and M3 is the body mass and A is the acceleration. So equation number 2. And second free body diagram M2, that is in this direction F and it is F dash. What is the force of contact? Based on M2. So that is F minus F dash is equal to the M2 into A, equation number 3. So based on the second one, M2, the force of contact F minus F dash is equal M2 into A, equation number 3. Based on the M1, mass M1, considering free body diagram of M1, the applied force on this direction and force of contact, that is F. So what is the force? F minus F is equal to the M1 into A, equation number 4. So we have equations based on the forces. What is the contact force about M3? I am considering free body diagram of M3, the force of contact F dash. The force of contact means the force F dash is equal to the M3 into A, and it is equation number 2. Based on the second body M2, the force of contact F minus F dash is equal to the M2 into A, based on the free body diagram of M2. Then M1, the applied force is in this direction. The force of contact, it is in opposite direction. That's why F minus F is equal to the mass into acceleration. M1 is the mass and A is the acceleration of a body. So here based on equation 1 and equation 2, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. What is the f dash value? m3 into a. A is the acceleration. This is f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So we are considering like this, f dash is equal m3 f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. This is the force of contact about m3. What about m1 and m2? We are calculating now based on equation 1 and equation 4. So we'll get f, capital F minus small f is equal m1 into a. So what is the f is equal, that is capital F minus m1 into a. So I am substituting value of acceleration. F is equal f minus m1. In the place of a, I am substituting equation number 1. That is f by m1 plus m2 plus m3. The force of contact F is equal to the, here it is the F common, so 1 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Then F is equal, based on this, m2 plus m3 into F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is the force of contact between the m2 and the m3. So same system I am taking here, but the applied force on opposite direction. The applied force on a m3, body mass m3. So what is the acceleration? What is the force of contact between them? Same system we are taking, but the force applied on opposite direction. So what is the acceleration of three bodies and what is the force of contact of three bodies? So here this is the three bodies is in diagram, is in contact, that is this mass is m1, m2, m3, and here we are applied force. It moves with a certain acceleration, that is a. So this is the force applying here. The force of contact, it is F between the m3 and m2, and the force applying between the m1 and m2, that is F dash. So based on this diagram, we are applying force on m3. In previous session we are applying force on m1, but now the force is applied on m3. What is the acceleration? We know the formula. F is equal to ma. Based on this, a is equal to F by m. The same acceleration is produced here. That's why a is equal to F by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is the acceleration formula when we applied force on m3. So what about m1, m2, m3 force of contact? I am taking free body diagram of m1. So here it is m1, the force of contact in this direction, that is F dash. So based on m1, the force of contact F dash is equal m1 into a, equation number 2, and considering free body diagram of m2, that is F in this direction, F dash, this is m. So what is the force of contact based on m2? That should be F minus F dash is equal m2 into A, equation number 3. Again, based on M3. So this is the M3. I am applying force on here. It is the force of contact F. So based on M3, F minus F is equal to the M3 into A, equation number 4. So based on this free body diagrams, we are calculating the force of contact on M1, that is F dash is equal M1 into A. Here force of contact, it is F dash, M1 is the mass of the body, A is the acceleration of the body. Then second one, based on free body diagram of M2. So we are applying force in this direction. That's why force of contact F minus F dash is equal to M2 into A. M2 indicates the body mass and A is the acceleration. Then M3, based on the free body diagram of M3, the applied force on this direction, and it is the force of contact F. Then F minus small f is equal to the M3 into A. M3 is the body mass and A is the acceleration. So these are the free body diagrams of three bodies, M1, M2 and M3. Now we are calculating what is the force of contact between them. Based on the equation 1 and equation 2. So we have equation 1 here, equation 2. Then F dash is equal to the M1 into A. What is the acceleration? F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is the equation number 5. Force of contact on M1. So based on the equation 1 and equation 4, we have equation 4. F is equal F minus M3 into A. So F is equal F minus M3 into A value, that is F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. You know that F is equal, F is the common here, capital F. Then 1 minus M3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Right? So after the calculation, we'll get the value F into M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So here plus M3 and minus M3 gets cancelled. Remaining the force of contact F is equal to the M1 plus M2 into capital F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is the force of contact between M2 and M3. So this is the force of contact and acceleration. What is the acceleration when three bodies is in contact? A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. When we applied force on M1 or M3, the same values, the acceleration is same. In previous session also, when we applied force on M1, the acceleration F by M1 plus M2 plus M3, sum of three bodies. So this is the acceleration. The acceleration is same when the directions, when we applied force on M1 or M3, the acceleration is same, but the values will be different, the force of contact based on the three bodies in contact. That is, in previous session, that F is equal to M2 plus M3 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So now here in this section, when we applied force on M3, the force of contact should be F is equal M1 plus M2 into F, capital F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So what is the F here? Force of contact between the M2 and M3. Now M1 is the first body mass of the first body. M2 is the mass of the second body. Capital F indicates the applied force on the body. And M1, M2, M3, these are the three bodies masses. So this is about when three bodies is in contact position. What is the acceleration and what about force of contact between them? In next class we have discussed when two bodies connected with a string or three bodies connected with a string, what is the acceleration and what is the force of contact between them? So support my channel and subscribe, like, share. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.